Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I literally just woke up, like I didn't brush my teeth or brush my face yet. Just went outside for a package of medicine because one of her birthday gifts just got here, so I'm gonna have to go be Bobbit the Builder. I don't really have nothing to do today, so that's that. I'll probably go to Target because I need to pick up a few things because I need pads, and I'll probably get a new sheet. I'm not going to Target with vibes. I'm actually going with the list. Yeah, so I secured the bag. I got my pads and tampon. I also picked up some toothpaste, cotton pads, some socks of medicine. I got me a sheet because I haven't bought sheets in a while, so I really needed this. And then I got a towel and a brush, candle. I saw this Naturium body wash. I want to try it out too. Some more mouthwash. Yeah, I'm so excited about these packages that I just received. Okay. This is a label printer, and I'm like super excited to use this because I have Poshmark and I also have an eBay store, so I'll be selling things. And I've been wanting to print label, and I have to go to the post office. And when I go to the post office, I honestly just want to drop my shit off. And yeah, no extra shit. And of course, you're gonna gotta get pink because I'm just a pink lover. And I also bought a roll of thermal label. And with the printer, they gifted me some also. And then in the other package is, what's this again? Okay, so that's that. This is how it's supposed to be, and down here is so I could put the flat ones. So yeah, and I actually have a label to print now because I need to ship off my camera. Y'all, look at this that I bought. A pink fucking drill, okay? Period. And I also got me a pink Bible. And then I got these tops off Amazon. I was just scrolling and I saw these. I got them in size medium. This medium looked big as hell. It also has padding in it. I don't do padding, so I'm gonna take that shit out. And I love the quality. It's like a ribbed material. So I'm gonna try those on. And my friend's calling me, but she gotta hold on a bit. Also got another package coming. It's not from Amazon, but it's for sure gonna be pink. Like, I have such an obsession with pink. Like, I don't think nobody out there loves pink as me. Like, so I'm gonna set up this drill and see if it works because it's only 12V. I seen another one that was 20, but this is so pretty. Yeah, it's cute, girl. Period. See, my friend know me. Is it? No more. Watcha, it fly out. Up with the blood clot. I need to put on back the door for my dresser. When the bed come, the girl need for drill, huh? I'm just gonna find things for drill. Eh? I bob it the drill da. Y'all, out of everything that I bought, this is my favorite purchase. So I'm definitely gonna be reading the Bible every day. And it's also King James version that I prefer. And I feel like it being pink, I'm gonna be more motivated to read it, even though that shouldn't be the case. But y'all understand what I mean, right? Like, this is a top, and I definitely feel like I could have gotten away with a small. Yeah, so the strangest thing happened today. And let me not say strange because there's nothing strange about it, but remember when I showed you guys what I got from Amazon today, and I was showing you guys my pink Bible? I was talking about how I want to be connected with God again, because I feel like I haven't been giving him much attention lately. So I think last year when I had went to Target, there were a couple people walking around the parking lot, and they were kind of like trying to teach you about God and like try to read your scripture with you. But like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I look at those people as if it's a scam, because it happened to me before where they try to ask me for money. But this one guy in particular, like, for some reason, like, we connected and we exchanged numbers, whatever the case may be. Like, it's nothing like, oh, he trying to talk to me, it's just church. But like, I never followed up with him. Like, he texts me every day, call me like, oh, you want to come to service Sunday? Oh, we having prayer meeting Saturday. And I always dodge a bullet, like I wasn't really interested. But then the year started and he never texts my phone. And tell me why he texted me today. He was like, sorry, don't want to bother you. Would you be interested in coming to church and learning more about Jesus Christ? And I take this as a sign, and I'm going to follow through with it. I text back and asked when, and he said church is Sunday at 10 a.m. Will I be able to make it? And I just said, okay, send me the address. And don't mind my dirty headboard either, y'all, because I have a headboard coming finally, because I tried ordering a headboard before and they had it on back order for months until I had to cancel. And then I found another headboard that I liked, so I just buy it. I think it's coming Friday. Yeah, it's supposed to come Friday, but that's besides the point. I'm definitely going to church. I'm not gonna make no excuses. I've been waking up 6 o'clock in the mornings. There's no reason for me to even be late to this service. So yeah, he texts me back. This is actually down the road from me. That's crazy. Anyways, hey besties, so I'm back with my little struggling ass ponytail, and the brizz was cute, but it was time for it to go. I think I want to go back to wigs because I can't keep frying my hair. Like, the texture of my hair is like natural. Don't ask me if it's 4C, 4B, baby, I don't know. All I know is I got coarse natural hair, so I have to like keep hot combing and flat iron it, and it's like frying my hair. So I think I want to go back to wigs, maybe for like a week or two. And yeah, I think the last time y'all saw me, I was building my new headboard with my bougie ass driller. And if you're a girl and you like pink, I feel like that drill is for you. Like, it's not gonna build Rome, but it could get shit done around the house. So yeah, I've been obsessing over my drill. And Friday I got some package coming because Miss Kim wanted to drop some new shit. It's not loungewear, it's definitely underwear, because our undies are just like, it's bomb. Like, Victoria's Secret could never. And I find it crazy that no one really talks about her underwears, because like, they're bomb. But yeah, I got the little 3 for $36. So yeah, that's coming Friday. And I got some new body care products from Sol de Janiero. They came out with a new body wash and deodorant, and I'm obsessed. I haven't used the deodorant yet. I've tried the body wash and it smells amazing. But right now I gotta go to Amazon because those the two tops that I got, the pink one and the cream one, remember I was saying like I got it in medium and I could have won a small, so I kind of repurchased it and get the small. But when I got the small, it was like soiled up. Yeah, I'm about to return that, and I need to go to the grocery store because I'm gonna cook a lamb chops today. This is my first time gonna cook it. Hopefully come out bomb. I'm trying to jerk it. Yeah, let me turn on this car because I'm literally melting. But as I was saying, yeah, I want to try jerk lamb chops, I think with cheddar mashed potatoes. I don't have no vegetables. I don't know what vegetable I want to do. I'm kind of tired of broccoli, so I might do asparagus, and then I don't really want asparagus, so I don't know. But I'm gonna figure that part out. But I definitely need to get plans because, like, what's in me without plans? So yeah, that's that. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yalla, assalamu.
So I love this brand ginger beer. It's the closest thing to home, and I saw these today. I've never seen this one. It's sparkling cucumber. So I have to take the chicken wing out of this because my freezer is packed. It cannot fit in. Y'all remember these glasses that I had bought? Tell me why yesterday I wanted to drink some wine. I didn't realize it's broken. Like, how did that happen? Y'all, this is disgusting. Oh my god. Hell no. But I'm gonna finish drinking it. I'm not gonna waste it. I probably add some wine to it. But this is disgusting, y'all. Oh my god. Woo. Oh, them can't hear. Y'all, my best friend and I cooking. Hold on, she wants to say hello. Watch your batsy. Look at my friend. Give him a little twerk and a little shake now. Look, your man want to come see you. Boy, I shake body on camera. So I'm gonna let this sit and marinate for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Are we at cook, Wendy? You're not even telling me I cook.